The best 4K TV deliver everything you need for streaming shows and movies, gaming, or sharing the latest funny video. But finding a great 4K TV is a balancing act of performance, features, and budget. If you're looking for the best 4K TV you can buy in 2022, then you're in the right place. Hello guys, welcome to Gadget 10. We've got the top 5 best 4K TV in 2022 for you today. You can buy it at the link in the description below the video. Number 5. Hisense Class H8. The Hisense H8G is a very good budget TV and a nice upgrade over its predecessor, the Hisense H8F. It has a VA panel with a high contrast ratio and a full array local dimming feature, allowing it to produce deep blacks for a great dark room viewing experience. The Hisense H8G has a nice and simple design, similar to the Hisense H8F. The stand is made out of metal, and you can change the position of the feet to accommodate smaller tables, which is a nice feature. This TV isn't very thick and doesn't stick out much when well mounted with max thickness 2.9 1-inch or 7.4 centimeters. The Hisense H8G has a decent build quality, but it doesn't have a premium build like other high-end TV. This is a feature-packed television, thanks to Google. It has over 1 billion colors perfectly expressed with Hisense H8G Quantum Series ULED Smart TV, which combine incredible, ultra-bright 4K detail with Android TV for quick access to entertainment and apps. Transform your home into an entertainment powerhouse with Dolby Vision HDR 10+, HDR10, HLG picture, and Dolby Atmos sound technologies, creating a truly cinematic experience featuring astonishing images with enhanced color and incredibly immersive audio. Offers 240 motion, rate, and quantum dot color. Full array local dimming zones deliver a superior HDR experience with up to 700 nits, peak brightness across up to 32 local dimming zones, while game mode significantly improves input lag for optimized gaming. The Hisense Class H8 is available in a huge variety of sizes, ranging from 50 inches right up to a whopping 75 inches. Number 4. TCL 6 Series QLED with Mini LED R635. No 4K TV offers this much picture quality for as little cash. That's because just last year, that same technology came to the high-end 8 Series and cost hundreds of dollars more than the ultra-affordable 6 Series. The TCL R635 has a great design that's very similar to the TCL 6 Series R625 2019. The mainframe holding the panel is made out of metal and plastic, and it looks like glass, giving the TV a more premium feel. This TV is a bit thick with max thickness 3.66 inch or 9.3 centimeters, mainly because of the bottom part where the inputs are sticks out, which may be an issue if you wall mount it. The TCL 6 Series Mini LED has good build quality. The stand is solid, and the TV doesn't wobble all that much. The TCL 6 Series 4K UHD Dolby Vision HDR has an excellent image thanks to Mini LED tech and well-implemented full-array local dimming that helps it run circles around just about any other TV at this price. It's also a solid choice for gamers with a THX mode that combines low input lag and high contrast. It also has designed in a new way to hide your cables, and it's the first TV to come with THX certified game mode for 1440 pixel or 120 Hz gaming. The TCL 6 Series was available in a huge variety of sizes, ranging from 55 inches right up to a whopping 75 inches. Number 3. Sony A90J OLED. The Sony Master Series A90J line of TV has an impressively bright OLED panel with one of the widest color ranges, along with powerful audio performance on par with dedicated speakers, making it worth the high cost of entry. The Sony A90J is quite thin overall and should look great when wall-mounted max thickness 1.61 inch or 4.1 centimeter, although not all of the inputs are side-facing and may be hard to reach. The build quality of the A90J is superb. It feels incredibly sturdy in either of the stand positions, with no wobble or flex. All in all, it's a very solid feeling TV, as expected from a high-end model like this. The Sony A90J OLED is an amazing 4K TV from Sony's Master Series. While its HDR brightness is only decent relative to LED TV, it still delivers a great HDR experience thanks to its wide color gamut and high contrast ratio. It also has a near-instantaneous response time for clear motion, and it supports variable refresh rate technology to reduce screen tearing, but it doesn't support FreeSync. On the upside, it has two HDMI 2.1 ports, eARC, and Dolby Vision support. It also has wide viewing angles and superb reflection handling. The Sony A90J available in a huge variety of sizes, ranging from 55 inches right up to a whopping 83 inches. Number 2. LG C1 OLED Series. The LG C1 OLED is a fantastic value among premium TV. The display offers rich picture quality with impeccable contrast and sharpness, superb HDR support, and gaming performance that beats everything else we've seen on any other OLED. The LG C1 has the same design as the previous series LG CX OLED. But that's not a bad thing at all. The look is still stunning, thanks to the unbelievably thin dimensions of OLED displays and LG display-on-glass design. It's dramatically thinner than any other premium TV, like the Samsung QN90A, which measures a respectable 1-inch thick. Through the entire top half of the TV, the LG C1 measures 0.1-inch thick. There's just no competing with that in terms of a polished, nearly futuristic look. The LG C1 OLED offers LG Alpha A9 Gen 4 processor for better upscaling and virtual surround sound audio, a full complement of HDMI 2.1 ports, and the best gaming performance and features you can get from an OLED. LG WebOS faces stiffer competition on app selection and features, but smart options like your choice of Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa voice assistants, AI-driven sports alerts, and gaming features like the Game Optimizer menu and support for Google Stadia and NVIDIA GeForce Cloud keep it in the mix for the best smart TV. The LG C1 OLED available in a huge variety of sizes, ranging from 43 inches right up to a whopping 83 inches. Number 1. Samsung QN90A Neo QLED. The Samsung QN90A Neo QLED TV combines Samsung's highly refined quantum dot technology with the tight control of mini-LED backlighting, resulting in one of the best TV displays you'll ever see. The QN90A is packed into a gorgeous 1-inch thick design, and it has a clean look with thin bezels that would look good in any setup. The center-mounted stand also elevates the TV enough off the table so that you can place a soundbar in front and not worry about blocking the screen. Brilliant color and unmatched brightness make for superb performance, and Samsung pairs that with a bounty of smart TV functions and genuinely intelligent features like a solar-powered remote control that eliminates the need to swap out batteries, delivering eco-friendly design and unbeaten convenience at the same time. The QN90A has some smart features such as potent Dolby Atmos. Watch movies smoothly without interruption up to 4K at 120 Hz with Motion Accelerator Turbo Plus, HDMI 2.1 connectivity, gamer-friendly features, and an impressive 12.6 millisecond lag time for an unparalleled gaming experience. The Samsung QN90A available in a huge variety of sizes, ranging from 43 inches right up to a whopping 98 inches.